like to invite Mr. Calvin Baccera, double diamond director from USA, to address the meeting.
Hey everybody, so thank you guys for inviting me to your event today. My name is Calvin Baccera, for those of you that don't know me, but I'm sure there are many of you that do. I want to just start by saying hello to Rini, nice to meet you, and also hello to my team in India there. I'm actually coming to you live from my home office here in Southern California, and I've been patiently awaiting to jump on here to speak into your lives. I'm so incredibly proud of what our team has done over the last 30 days. I know that we're doing a 90-day run right now that starts August 1st through the end of October, but you guys have already started your race. You guys have already started your run. So I want to just start by just congratulating all of the achievers on our team for an incredible month. I know how hard you guys have been working. I've been watching your post online. I've been listening to PC and Gideon and Masvanai tell me about how hard you guys are running for your dreams. I've talked to Anshu Bagai, who's talked to me about the promotions and incentives you guys have in your market and how hard you guys are working. He's always messaging me every month to make sure that I'm supporting my teammates and that I'm cheering you guys on. So I want to first start by congratulating all the achievers on our team. I've been trying to share and celebrate you guys as much as I could on my Facebook page when I'm able to see all of your promotional pictures when you guys are rank advancing. And my teams around the world are enamored by what you guys are doing in India. They're asking about what the India leaders are doing to have the success there, and how long you guys have been involved in the business. And I've said that you guys have been here with me since the beginning, so I'm so incredibly proud of you. I'm even more incredibly proud of an example that we have in our teammate Masvanai, who has achieved the rank of Ruby Director. I'm so incredibly proud of you because I've known you for years now. I know your story as a single mother raising your children, and how hard you have worked to accomplish this goal, right? It didn't happen overnight for you. It happened over the course of many nights. And that's really the story of success. The person that works as hard as they can to overcome all of their adversities and obstacles in order to get to the top of the mountain of success. And I knew that you would get there one day. I did not know when, but only you knew when. But I just want to say congratulations for finally achieving your goal. And I know that you have more goals in front of you. Now that you've been able to achieve that incredible level, I know that you see even further now than you've seen before. So keep running for your dreams, keep running for your family, and the sky's the limit. You're an example for so many people in the organization there in India who have big dreams to achieve the highest levels here in Jeunesse. And Jeunesse is a land of opportunity. It's given opportunity to millions of people in more than 150 countries around the world. India is just one of them, but you guys are having success. So congratulations to you guys, to all of the achievers, and especially to you, Masvanai. So it's an amazing thing to see the accomplishments that you guys are having there, given the set of circumstances we have around the world right now with COVID and everything else. I just want to tell you, it's an amazing accomplishment. You guys are giving hope to people in those communities who are stuck inside their homes, who are trying to provide for their families, who are looking for opportunities when opportunities that they had before that seemed that would last forever have kind of gone away and diminished now. Home-based business is more alive than ever before, and people around the world are wanting to build a business from their phone, from their computer. They just don't know how to do it. So when you don't open your mouth about an opportunity like this, other people are losing right now. So just think of who loses when you don't win. If you go out there with the intention to win month to month, you're going to help other people win as well. There are many people out there that are skeptical, that don't understand our business. Just let them know how simple it is. We're all using and promoting products we trust and that we care about and that work on us. And we're getting other people the opportunity to get healthy, to look younger, to feel younger. But we're also putting an opportunity in their hand to promote the products with us, turn an additional income stream into their household during a time of need. So you guys are doing just that. Now, for those of you that have never, heard my story before. I started network marketing 16 years ago when I was 25 years old. I knew nothing about this business. I grew up very, very poor, okay, with just a single mother, similar to Masvanai's story, okay. I grew up with a single mom who raised me, my brother, and my sister. We grew up very, very poor. And at an early age, I just started working in the neighborhoods, doing whatever I could to earn money to bring back to my mom to pay the bills. As I got a little bit older, I started to dream bigger, and my dream was to one day go to college. And in order to go to college, I would have to go to a really good high school when I was a teenager, okay? And really good high schools were private schools that cost a lot of money, and only the rich kids went to those schools. Even though I was poor, I thought in my mind that if I worked, I could pay for that school. And when I was 15 years old, I went and applied into a private high school. I got accepted into it, and I worked 4 jobs a day. When I was 15 years old, 16 years old, 17 years old, and 18 years old, I worked 4 jobs a day to pay for my high school. I was a janitor in the morning, okay, before school started. I went to school. I completed my schoolwork. I went to my sports practice. When I was done with sports, I went to a petrol station, a gas station, where I helped work on cars. And in the evening time, I worked at a restaurant where I was a host and I seated people. And I also worked as a telemarketer on the weekends, calling people and learning how to make sales, okay? One of the scariest things I've ever done in my life. I was 15 years old, but I got better and better at it the more I practiced it. And I think that helped me develop the skill set at an early age. But I took all the money I made and I paid for my school, okay? Because I knew that would provide for me opportunity one day. And education would help me, would help open doors for me in the future. And when I was done paying for my school, I got the best grades in school, the highest marks in school. And I was one of the best athletes. And because of that, I received a fully paid scholarship to attend a university for free because I did so well in my school. And I went to a university, became the first one in my family to graduate from a university. I got my degree in criminology and pre-law. I did not use that degree for anything, but it gave me an education. And when I graduated from a university, I went right into sales in real estate and banking. I became very successful in my early 20s. I actually became a millionaire by the time I was 22 years old outside of network marketing because of my work ethic. If anybody's successful in any business, you can be successful. You just have to study them and see what they do. And then you have to take action and practice. You have to fail a lot before you can succeed. You have to get rejected a lot before you can succeed, but never quit, because you just keep getting better and better and better the more time you put in to whatever it is that you're doing. It doesn't matter what your profession is, okay? When you've put in the hours, eventually you'll step into the profession. You'll become a professional, and that's what happened to me. But in 2008, when the economy crashed here in the United States and the whole real estate industry crashed, I found myself losing this business. And I was wondering what I could do, right, to keep the same lifestyle I had. And a neighbor of mine shared with me the concept of network marketing, building a network, finding a really good company with really good products and building a team of people that knows how to use them. And then finding some of those people that can promote and sell your products. And that was easy. If the products really worked, people would want to promote them and refer their friends to them and refer people to their website and start building teams. So I got really excited about that. I knew nothing about this industry, nothing about network marketing, but I just went and figured it out. I remember going on YouTube and looking up videos of people in my company who were successful. I remember watching their trainings and listening to their stories, and I would go out and practice these things that they taught. Of course, I wasn't any good at it when I first started. I was horrible at it, okay? But the more time I put into it, the better that I got. And then I started climbing the ranks of the company. People started to say yes to me to join my business. People started to say yes because they were interested in my products, right? And I started to get customers and business builders that were working with me. And as time went on, I got better. I always attended the events and the trainings to learn more and more. I never stopped being a student, even till this day. Today, I'm 40 years old. I'm not 25 anymore like I was 16 years ago, but I'm 40 years old. Okay, I know that I use the youth enhancement products, so I would hope that I look young to you guys and I don't look 40 years old. But you know, here I am 40 years later, and I've built this business that I started in the city where I live, here in Corona, California. I started here, right? It's crazy that the city I live in, his name is Corona, okay? It's not a really good city to live in right now, or even to say. But it stands for crown, right? But I built a business in my own backyard, here where I live, with people that are just strangers and neighbors and people that I met in my community. And over the course of 15 years, my business spread and spread and spread across the country, and then all of a sudden all around the world, with over 1 million people in over 150 countries. It's crazy. I don't even know who these people are. Most of you who are watching this video, who are watching this presentation right now, I probably never even met, but I want to meet you one day once the world opens up again and I can travel around from expo to expo to meet you guys and greet you guys and have fun with you guys and celebrate you guys. But that's the beauty of this business. If you just build in your own community and you build local and think global, People are going to, on their own, take it to their family and friends in other countries and other states there in India and then around the world. As long as you never stop and you keep staying consistent and you stay focused, your business will spread around the world. That's what someone told me when I was young in this business. And I just prayed and I hope, please make that be my story. Please let that happen to me. I'll never quit this business. I will keep running and running for my dreams. And I know that not everybody's going to treat this business like a business, but the more people I put in, the more people I share this opportunity with, the more likely someone's going to take it seriously. Right? And from year to year to year, I have a few people that take it seriously and take it more seriously, and my business has spread. And one of those teams that has taken it really seriously is my team there in India. You guys, okay? That started from PC and then Gideon and then Mastanai and all the leaders that are there, okay? I'm just saying that I'm grateful to you guys. I'm forever in service to you guys because of the hard work that you guys put in. But look I built a business in my own backyard and it spread throughout the world. My very first year in network marketing, I personally enrolled 37 people. That's not a lot of people. I mean, there are 52 weeks in a year, and in 37 of them, I put one person in. That's it. But from 37 people who have built, who have said yes to me in network marketing, 7 of them treated it like a business. And those 7 people changed my life my very first year in network marketing. We built a team of 4,000 people using our products, customers, and we built a team of maybe a couple hundred people who were building a business. And then from year to year to year to year, it kept growing and growing and growing and growing and growing. And now today, you know, I have a business that pays me every minute of every day, whether I'm awake or whether I'm sleeping. People that I don't even know are building a business for their own family, but I'm earning an income from that. There's no business on the planet like this. It doesn't matter where you live, whether you live in a well-developed country or in a poor developing country. Anybody can do network marketing, and there's anybody in any part of the world, whether you're rich or whether you're poor, can afford this business. It's a very affordable business. There's no business on the planet you could start for a couple $100 to a couple $1,000. Every traditional business is usually, you know, anywhere from $100,000 to maybe over $1 million. That's crazy. No one can afford businesses like that. Okay, not very many people. So we have opportunity here at Jeunesse, which is amazing. The company recently, after celebrating its 10th year and its first decade of business, has now gone into phase 2. Phase 2 is where we're at right now. This is the second decade of the Jeunesse business. And guess what Jeunesse is doing? They are hiring seasoned professionals on our corporate team, okay? Like Rod Larson, who has more than 20 years experience in our industry. He's our new chief operating officer. He has a big dream of developing our business internationally. You have AK Khalil, who's one of my favorite people inside of the network marketing industry. Jeunesse just hired him from the outside to be our leader of distributor development, the field development. He is the president of everything that happens with the field. So we have just amazing leaders to take us into the next 10 years. I talked to AK the other day, and he said he wants to take us to a $2 billion company. So phase 2 is starting right now. That's why I just launched the 90-day run, and I want you guys to all be a part of it. That's an amazing thing. Now, why have I had so much success in this business? Because I'm really good at keeping this business simple. I mean, I know that there are a lot of professionals in this industry. You might see me as a professional, but I'm just a guy that started when I was 25 years old and put my 10,000 hours into this business. If any of you put 10,000 hours into any business, I guarantee you'll be making a lot of money, and you'll be a professional, and you'll speak the language of this business. You'll develop the skills in this business. It doesn't even have to be this business. Whatever it is you do in life, if you put your 10,000 hours in, you will guaranteed be a professional. Keep track of your hours, keep track of the time you put in. But I've always kept this business simple. At the end of the day, all we are doing are 2 things in this business, okay? We're promoting our products to customers, and we're inviting people to see our business. That's all we do in this business. We promote our products to customers, and we invite people that are prospects, people we think would be great at this business, to see our business. 2 things are what I've been doing for the last 16 years. My friends outside that are in traditional businesses, that are professionals in other industries, look at me and they're like, how do you have that lifestyle with that simple of a business model? I just finished building a $6 million house here in California, thanks to network marketing. My wife doesn't have to work again. My kids are in the best schools. Our bills are paid. We have huge investments that pay us every single day because of the income we made here in network marketing. And all I do is promote a product to customers and invite new people to see my business every month. That's all I do. Everybody else's business they make great money, a couple $100,000 a year, but what they have to do in their business every day is crazy. It's hard, it's difficult compared to what we do here. All you have to do is push yourself to promote the product to more people and to find more people to share the business with. That's how I've kept it simple over the last 15 years. The minute you start to overwhelm people and start to make this business look more important than it is, and more glamorous than it is, and more detailed than it is, you're going to lose people, because people don't have time. They're taking care of their families. They have full-time jobs. They might own other businesses. They want something additional that they can put part-time work into and receive a full-time income. So how are you making it look to those people? You have to question yourself that way. All right. And then finally, in closing, I just want to tell you guys just to have standards. Have standards in this business. If you really want to be successful inside of Jeunesse, side of network marketing, then you have to take this business seriously and stop playing small. Start playing big. Start dreaming big. Okay? Stop treating this business like a hobby and start treating it more like your job, more like a business. Because hobbies will always cost you money and businesses will always make you money. Your job will make you money. Treat this business like your job. Have as much pride as you would in your job, the thing that pays your bills, as you would in this business. Okay? And when I say have standards, just keep three things in line. Okay? If you're going to treat this business like your job, show up for work every day. That's all I ask you. Just show up for your business every day. Show up to work every day and open your doors so people know that you're in business. Make sure that people see you showing, sharing, and celebrating your business and your products every day of the week. Make sure that you're speaking to people every day if your doors are open for business. Don't ever have a day where you say, I'm open for business, and you don't talk to anybody. You're playing small. You'll never have success that way. You'll be in this business for 4 or 5 years and you'll turn around and look at your income and it's still the same. You will never grow unless you grow. Okay? You have to stay open for business. But hey, number one standard is time commitment. How much time am I willing to put into my business every single week? How much time am I willing to put in? Is it 10 hours a week? Is it 20 hours a week? Is it 30 or 40? Whatever it is, commit to that and write that down on paper. And then make sure that you put those hours into your business every single week. Make sure that you time block those hours into your calendar every week around your life. Don't let your busy life become the excuse on why you didn't do your business today. Okay? Your kids have doctor's appointments, dentist appointments. You have birthday parties and weddings to go to and dates with your spouse. Okay? You have errands you need to run during the week and you need stuff you need to get done in your life. That's fine. Put it in your calendar. But when it's in your calendar, look for the blank spaces of time that are left open and available to you and put those hours into your calendar. Jeunesse, 30 minutes here, 1 hour here, 15 minutes here, 3 hours here, 2 hours on this day, 3 hours on this day. Great, there's all my work. I can do it. And then figure out what you're going to do in there. Income generating activities. But time commitment is number one. You can't do this business if you don't commit time to it. Okay? Standard number two is set a monthly sales goal. Set a monthly sales target. What do I want to personally do in my business so that when my teammates see what I do, they do what I do? And how simple can I make it for everybody? Okay? I'm not going to go out there and sell $100,000 worth of product myself this month. That's crazy, right? I'm not going to go sell $50,000 worth of product myself this month. That is crazy. Okay, but what can I do that other people can believe they can do? I could sell $1,000 in product this month. That's easy. Let me write that down. $1,000 goal. Okay. I could sell $2,000 in product. That's simple. Okay. 3,000 max. 3,000 maximum. Okay. Anywhere from 1,000 PV to 3,000 PV in product. That's my goal. I want to do that in front of my team so they can go do that as well. It doesn't sound like a lot, but imagine if you did that and 10 other people did that. How much volume would that bring into your team? Wow, that would bring 10 to 30,000 points in volume this month. Now you see how simple it is, right? It wasn't all you. It was you doing a little bit and your team just or duplicating what you're doing. If you build a team of 20 people, now how about 20 people doing 1,000 points a month in volume? That's 20,000 points. or 3,000, that's 60,000 points. As your team grows bigger in size, doing a little bit of volume every month, you'll see how simple it is to get to Ruby and Emerald and Diamond. Imagine having a team of 100 people doing 1,000 points a month. That's 100,000 points. You're a Sapphire Elite or a Ruby at that time. Imagine you have a team of 300 people doing a couple thousand points. You're almost Diamond. You don't need thousands of people to make an insane income here. You just need to know how to grow your team and teach them how to keep it simple. Okay. So every month, set a monthly sales target. Okay. What's my monthly goal? 1,000 points, 2,000 points, 3,000 points. And just understand that to accomplish the target, you can do it 3 different ways. Okay. 3 different ways to hit my sales target. One way, my own personal order this month. How much points am I going to personally order? How much product do I need in my home? Or do I need to go market my business this month as well? 100 points? Okay, great. 100 points. There it goes. 60 points, 200 points, whatever it is. That is part of that 1,000-point goal. Okay. Now subtract that from the 1,000. How much is left? What else can I do? Well, I can go direct people to my website to place an order. Okay, great. Get customers shopping on your website. There's another way to get volume. And what's the third way? The final way? New enrollments. Enrolling new people onto our team, giving other people the opportunity, because when they join us, they order product packages, 100 points, 200 points, 300 points, 500 points. Okay. Those 3 ways is how you hit your monthly sales target. And once you're done, you're done. Then go help your team, hold your teammates accountable, see what they're doing, tell them how to sell better, how to direct people to their website, how to enroll new people. Okay. So standard number 2 is set a monthly sales target. And the final standard to really bring it home and have success is set a monthly personal growth target. How much do I want to grow my team this month personally? How many new teammates do I want to bring into Jeunesse on my team personally this month? Okay. And I would say set a minimum target of 2 new people every month. See, I'm not making it difficult. 2 people. Imagine this was your job, you guys, okay? And you had a boss and you showed up to work every day, okay? And you worked 5 days a week, 20 days a month. Do you think your boss would be okay if all you did was bring in 2 people? They would probably say, no, you cannot keep your job. You need to bring in 1 new person every day if this were your job. But in network marketing, it's not that difficult. It's simple. Because this business is based on leverage. It's not just you bringing in people, but your team as well. And everything your team does comes to you, okay? So if you can focus every single month on bringing at least 2 people or more into your business, watch how much bigger your team grows. Imagine everybody on your team focusing on their monthly sales target of 1,000 points and their monthly team growth target of 2 people. That means everybody does 1,000 points. And if the team grows by each person 2 new people, your business doubles or triples every month. 100 people grows to 200 or 300. 300 people grows to 500 or 600. And everybody doing 1,000 points. Can you see how quickly your business can grow? I'm just telling you guys. Every month on my organization, we have new diamond after diamond after diamond after diamond hitting. And they're not anybody special. They're not these business professionals. Look at these guys from Bangladesh on my team, becoming diamonds every single month. They're not anything special. They don't have the skills that you guys have. They cannot speak as well as you guys can, but they understand that simple concept. Teach everybody how to do 1,000 points. Then teach everybody how to do 2,000. And let's grow the team by 2 to 3 people every month. And their team keeps growing and growing and growing and growing and growing. They put 56,000 people into this business over the last 90 days. We created 4 new diamonds and there are going to be 4 more next month. It's crazy. You guys are better than them and you guys can do just as much, but you have to keep it simple and you all have to hold each other accountable on hitting those goals and hitting those team growth targets. Those are the 3 standards: time commitment, set a monthly sales target, and set a monthly team growth target. Teach everyone how to do that. And all of you are doing a little. I did my 1,000 points this month. I put my 2 new team members in this month. I'm ready for next month. And next month you do it again and you do it again. And over time, your business grows and grows. And eventually you become a Sapphire Elite and you become a Ruby and you become an Emerald and you become a Diamond in this business. All you have to build in this business are 2 teams a right team and a left team. And eventually you're going to have a few good people over here and a few good people over here if you never stop, you guys. So again, hey, I appreciate you guys. Thank you for giving me your time today. Thank you, Rini, for hosting this event. You're amazing. I've been watching you the entire time. So I want to tell you, thank you for your service. Thank you, PC, Gideon, Maspanai, all of the leaders who I've known over the last 7 or 8 years on our team. I'm so grateful for you guys. I just want to see you guys succeed. Congratulations, achievers. This is your day today. We are celebrating you guys. I am forever in service to you and your team. I'm forever grateful to you. Me, my family, my wife, my kids, we love you all. You're all our family. We look forward to welcoming you to our home when you guys are in California one of these days, okay? I want to welcome you guys as our guests here one at a time, but I appreciate you guys. I love you all. Good luck. God bless you all. Thank you.